Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. It's summer, officially, finally. Actually, it's been summer for a while, but I live in Washington, so it just now started getting sunny, which means I get to pull out all the smoothies and sorbets and frozen treats and stuff. I'm so excited. So I figured to kick it off, I would start and show you guys one of my all-time favorite smoothies, a classic, the tropical smoothie. I'm gonna show you exactly how I make mine, what my favorite frozen fruits are. Quick disclaimer, my family usually has like the massive Vitamix and I make huge batches of these, but that's broken. So I'm gonna be using like our smaller little NutriBullet today, making 2 portion sizes. So this is a very easy thing to sort of like customize and make more or make less of. If that, I don't know if that made sense. Hopefully you got what I was trying to say. I'm gonna stop rambling, let's jump in. I'm super excited to make this because whenever I film these videos, I get to eat the result. And I've been craving a smoothie all day, so I was really excited to film this. So for smoothies, I feel like you really can't go wrong. Pick whatever fruits you like, whatever juices, milks, waters, like whatever liquid you want. You really can just go nuts and have at it. But I wanted to show you guys specifically my favorite tropical smoothie recipe. So if you guys want to recreate this exactly at home, you can. I'm gonna start off with a banana. I do this in all of my smoothies, just so that it's sweet and really creamy. I've got one right here. Usually these are frozen bananas, but I have a lot of frozen fruit that I'm gonna be adding, so I don't want it to get too thick and too hard to blend because I am going for a smoothie consistency rather than like a sorbet, if that makes sense. But if you really want almost like an ice cream texture, add a frozen banana in, you're good to go. So I'm gonna do half a banana right in there. Now, if I'm being completely honest, when it comes to measurements for my smoothies, I kind of just eyeball it, but I will try to give you guys a good explanation as to how much I'm actually putting in so you can make this at home. So my 2 favorite frozen foods. Wow. My 2 favorite frozen fruits, that's kind of hard to say, to put in my tropical smoothies are peaches and pineapple. I really like doing mango as well, but for some reason today I was just feeling the pineapple peach combo. So I'm gonna add in probably, I would say, about a 1/4 cup of peaches. Now, because this is an individual serving, I guess you could say, or maybe like 1.5 servings, the measurements may seem a little bit small. If you're making this for like a family, or if you just want to like put some in the freezer and make popsicles, feel free to just like multiply this. Then pineapple. I really like pineapple because I feel like that is the fruit that when I taste it, I'm like, okay, it's tropical. Do you know what I mean? Like you can do peach strawberry and it's more like a fruity smoothie, but pineapple for me just really gives me that like tropical vibe, which I love. So I'm gonna put about the same amount, oh my God, of pineapple in here. So I would say about a 1/4 cup, maybe half a cup. Okay, the next ingredient is a little bit different. I love adding chia seeds into my smoothies. The reason I like these is because 1, they're super good for you, really high in nutrients, but they thicken up your smoothie and help make it really creamy. I'm gonna add in about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more into there. You can't taste it, you can't see it. It just adds a little bit of nutritional value and takes your smoothie to the next level. Now this part is, if I'm really like committing to my smoothie, I've prepared, I planned, like I did today, I will go get myself yogurt. Now, typically I don't do yogurt in my smoothies just because my family doesn't have it on hand. You can totally make this without it, but I think it takes it to the next level as far as creaminess goes and tanginess. I love it. Now, if I'm gonna go like the extra mile, like I am today, and really put time and effort into this smoothie, I will get a yogurt that matches the flavor. Now, I know that seems a little bit weird, but since I planned this out, I knew I wanted to do this tropical sort of vibe. I went and I got a peach yogurt. This is totally optional. You can use plain Greek yogurt, whatever, but I like the extra flavor that it adds. So I'm gonna give this a mix. Initially, I was planning just plain Greek yogurt, which I also really like doing, but when I saw the peach, I was like, come on, I got to. So I'm only gonna add in maybe like a spoonful. Now, last but not least is your liquid, right, to help it blend. So typically if I'm doing just my standard smoothie or like a green smoothie, I'll do almond milk or I'll do water. But like I said, this smoothie is a little bit extra. You put thought into this smoothie rather than just finding random things in your freezer. So my key ingredient, ladies and gentlemen, orange juice. This may be like really like a duh moment for a lot of people, like of course you're putting orange juice in. I typically don't put this into my smoothies, but when I do, I think it just makes the flavor so much better. It's a lot more refreshing and sweet and more like a treat of a smoothie rather than just your standard like breakfast smoothie, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna add in just a little bit to start because I do want this to be a pretty thick smoothie. So I would say that's about a half a cup maybe. I'm gonna screw on my lid very well. This is not sponsored by NutriBullet, by the way. This is just the blender that we have. And I'm gonna blend it until it's perfectly smooth. Give it a shake. Okay, it's a little thick. I'm gonna add a little bit more orange juice in there just to get the consistency that I like. Again, this part's very optional. Just go until you're happy with the consistency. Okay, so you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's exactly where I want it. I'm gonna pour it into a glass. All right, let me unscrew the lid. This is the hardest part. Oh, there we go, okay. Look at the texture. It's thick, creamy. Oh, perfect. That was kind of a lot. Okay. I've got a fun little straw to put in. Guys, that's literally it. That's all you have to be. I mean, obviously it's a smoothie. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, but I still wanted to film this video because everyone makes their smoothies differently. It's totally customizable, so by no means do you have to follow my recipe, but my recipe is pretty dang good if I do say so myself. This just screams like I feel like I need to be on a beach, getting a tan, jumping in a pool. That's the vibe I get from this drink and I love it. The orange juice really does take it to the next level. The extra sort of citrus vibrancy. Love it. Love it. Okay, I need to stop drinking. I need to do my outro. So that is it, you guys. A super quick, simple video I figured I would put up to give you a little smoothie inspiration. I hope you give this a try. Also, comment down below what your favorite smoothie combinations are because I've refound my love for smoothies and I've been looking for some inspiration. So I would love to hear your guys' favorites. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you love it. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Coke with Amber, it'll be on the screen, and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that I know you are smoothie fans as well. I love you guys so much and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys, cheers.